Monday morning, Mazda in for some... We've got the arms for this now. They must be in the boot. All that, it's all going on there. They're here already. Oh dear. That Audi from Friday. Gonna start dive into this, get some footage of this. Dan's on the Focus. Thinking it might not be the head gasket at the moment. Could be the water pump.
Very loose water pump.
Very loose water pump, which would be an amazing bonus. So there we go. I need to take this pipe off. Goes all the way over there. To have a chance of getting that out. I don't want it to go absolutely everywhere, but it does sound like it's going in the tub. That makes a change. It's a bit stuck. Oh, there you go. Oh, that dipstick tube might be in the way. Just roll the rad away from it. Rad? Alternator. Oh yeah. That looks a bit broken. I wonder if I can get that busted tensioner out. As this is, or I need to move the rad. Oh, no. Oh, there goes one bit of it. Oh dear. Look at the state of it. Deado. There's another bit. Oh. There you go. Whew. It's got to come off anyway. Would have been nice if it was just that though. Whoa! See you later. Try and hold that a little bit. That should spin in my hand. When it gets to a certain tension, it'll engage, but it's just seized, and that's obviously what's done the tensioner where the belt was slipping and jumping. So take that off. So this little kit, yeah, in there. Oh, let me check what size we reckon that is. It's going to be one of these two. That feels nice and tight, so in there. A bit long this really, but oh, you lucky bugger. Here we go. Whew. Screw that on there. Wedge it on the vice. I think that's tight enough. New cap. And away we go. Spin it and stop, and that will carry on a little bit. If he wasn't making so much noise. There you go. You hear that? It's not locked. Let's it just spin a little bit like that. There we go. Sweet. Get it all back together. One. It is difficult to see, isn't it?
If they're cracked, you can see them, but really obvious. I mean, it's probably between somewhere around these ones, because these are the oil galleries of the water, so it's getting between those.
Not excessively though. I mean, it's obviously been like it for a long time.
Yeah.
It's never boiled over, is it?
No.
Mazda 6 Estate. Quite a nice car actually, quite well spec'd. This is in for all the bits, arms, service, brakes, oh, a lot. Bolts for these lower arms, as we predicted, are seized solid. I mean, this side, I had to cut them off, they're completely seized in there, the bush is spinning. And This side's exactly the bloody same. Not the end of the world. To be honest, we've got this decent blade. Sawzall. 9-inch long one. We've used this loads of times on doing like Range Rover bolts and stuff. They do the same thing, they all season, so. Cut the second one out now, and then we can fit the new ones. Someone works in it again. At least we get to get these bolts out. Look at this stuff. You can see that, it's like green. 020. Oil's getting weirder, isn't it? That's that done. Just got to lower it down and tighten the wheels up, torque them up. That's had everything to service, the arms, the brakes. Fresh discs and pads. We've got a new front arm on there. All the bits. Nice fresh new arms, new bolts. Obviously, had to cut the others out. Lovely. Alright, he is just taking the BM for a run, because it needs a run, over to the place that's doing, well, done already, the cylinder head that's going in there. He loves it. Yeah, it's done already. It was dropped off late afternoon on Monday, and phone call this morning, it's Wednesday morning, it's done. So, why not? Go and get it. That's the first thing today. That's going to go and get picked up. This Vauxhall Vivaro is in for... God, blimey, what's it having? It's having a pair of front track rods, rear coil spring has gone, or corroded or cracked or something. A set of front drop links. Sportage in, that is having 2 rear suspension arms, a set of front discs and pads. And there's some other stuff turning up as well. We've got so much on. I'm going to try and film as much as possible. Loads of MOTs to run as well. And Thursday, Friday, it's, even going into next week, we're just back to back. So I'm going to film as much as I can. And yeah, let's get cracking. I was just spraying this up and I noticed, look at this. Jesus Christ. It's definitely that. That's knocking, can't really see that, but yeah. This side is not as bad, but Jesus. And that blown shock wasn't on the list. That's another thing that they sorted. Yeah. There we go. Lovely.
A bit of a clean up.
Sounds loads better after that spirited run. Lovely. And for anyone who's interested, that is had an engine conversion. It's got a 2.8 M52 TU engine in it from an E36. You know, the standard like M50 manifold, and that's had a little map done on it. Goes quite well. Be cheaper to take it to Alfred's. Get them to use their fitting service. Oh. What does it have to be all the way back up there? Hey? Oh, can't believe I'm using these things again. All the bits. Right. On to the next one. Yeah, done for a while. Haven't used that for a while. Woo. Got a lip on those discs. Definitely need changing. Oh, you're tight. Dear, oh dear. Going to be a load of noise in here for a minute whilst they're doing a DPF regen on that. Nice and new. Off of there. Good. There we go. One arm. Bit dark under here. Thursday. Mitsubishi Outlander. Plug-in EV thing that has gone out and it's come back from one of the car sales lot. Customer that bought it saying that they feel a knock and stuff. We're gonna change the drop link. That's back. Remember a couple of videos ago, I don't know, a month ago? I can't remember now. We started pulling diesel and that injector there, you can't really see, I should get a torch really. Basically the top of that injector, where the plastic meets the metal, it's weeping diesel out of it. And it's only just started doing it. So that's been changed as well. Operation cleanup. Under here, oil everywhere from how it was leaking previously, and the diesel started leaking out of it again. So get this blasted off, looking fresh. There we go. Loads better. Woo. Ooh, there it is. DPF blocked on this Vito. It's got to come out, be renewed. It just looks like it's going to be a nightmare. Happy Friday. Tight. Oh, got one there as well. Oh, it's full of water. You dirty bugger. On these ones as well. Using the old bit of air. It's definitely just trying to fall forward. There you go. Look at the size of the bloody thing. Oh, great.
You got the heavy end? Yeah. Do you want to see if it's a man?
There you go.
Clutch.
Yeah, I know. Woo! Oh, you can see the DPF now. There's so much to it. It's got to come undone. All the way up in there as well, the turbo. Get in there. Yeah, I think it's that strap. Oh, I'm looking it over it somehow. There we go. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, what a nightmare. All of that for this hunk. Junk. Look at it. Oh, it's like built not to be worked on. Very busy day today. I've had this and bits this morning and then got onto this. Defeated by this today. The DPF's back in there, but still got the subframe and everything else to go in it. But it's 5 o'clock now and it's Friday. We've had such a long week. So yeah. Woo! And it's freezing cold. Thanks for tuning in again, paying an interest in the stuff that we're doing. It's quite nice to see. Loads more to come. This will be going back together next week. This will be done. Oh mate, we've got so much stuff coming in next week. It's unreal. So yeah, we'll check back next week's vlog. See you then.